What's this video about?
This is a video of a guide to motorcycle parking lots in Osaka City. The Nakanoshima parking lot has a bike parking zone. I'm on my way there now, heading south on Naniwa Suji. Go over the Tami Bridge and turn left at the next corner. There was an information board here for the museum and science museum, though it's hard to see now because of construction. The science museum is on the right side here. And go straight down the one-way street. Passing the highway entrance, turn right at the three-way intersection and the entrance to the parking lot is right in front of you. This is the Nakanoshima motorcycle parking lot. You take a parking ticket and park your bike over the gate. Open 24 hours a day, 100 yen per hour, 500 yen maximum for the day.
Yeah, convenience is nice.